Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana is up more than 17% over the last 1 month, up more than 13% over the last 1 week. It's safe to say the altcoin market is rising back to life. Safe to say the altcoin market is already showing some good signs. WGG gains across the board in the altcoin market. Look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar. Is Solana ready to pump to new all-time highs? Have we found the bottom in this bear market? How high can Solana realistically go in 2026? Look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Sentiment right now is neutral in the cryptocurrency market, which is a good sign. We've seen the market go from extreme fear towards greed before in the past. I don't think this time is different. I believe we're heading towards greed and extreme greed, which will help Solana against Bitcoin. Look at that chart to help Solana against Ethereum. We'll also look at that chart and then we'll look at Solana's market cap. Solana's market cap is down bad, but as all coins are pumping to higher values, Solana is joining the party. Solana's market cap to see an all-time highs. We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. So for the last 1 month, altcoins are slowly coming back to life over the last 1 month. We're seeing big moves in the altcoin market. Even though Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, is up 13% over the last 1 month, Solana has joined the party. Solana is up 17%, giving Bitcoin a run for its money. And there's a clear signs in the cryptocurrency market right now. If you're looking at the charts, that maybe just maybe we've gotten to a temporary bottom. Maybe just maybe we're ready for one of those big pumps to the upside that gets a lot of market participants very jealous, get them singing Kumbaya. Normally, that's the bottom of the bear market. Normally, that's when you're supposed to buy a lot of altcoins, waiting for them to pump to the moon and for you to sell them. Now, Solana has been one of those altcoins that confidently give a lot of market participants huge profit for the past two bull markets. Confidently say Solana has given among the biggest gains in the market. In 2020 to 2021, Solana went from as low as $0.5 to as high as $250. And when Solana dropped back to $8 in 2022, a lot of market participants were expecting it to dump towards zero. They felt Solana was dead, coupled with the fact that FTX was holding a lot of Solana, and then we saw this final flush down to Goblin Town, where Solana went from as high as $37, dumping to as low as $7. From 2022 to 2024, 2025 period, Solana went the opposite direction, pumping to higher prices. It was one of the best performing altcoins in the cryptocurrency market, which led to the president of the United States launching his own meme coin on the Solana network. But Solana has fizzled out since then. We're expecting Solana to continue pumping to higher prices with all the publicity. We're expecting Solana to at least continue towards $400, $500. The previous all-time highs for Solana before then was around $250. We saw Solana getting to as high as $297 before tanking. Since then, Solana has tanked, recovered, got into as high as $250. There was no buzz, tanked back to as low as $71, and that feels like where the bottom was forming in. Solana spent more than 60 days around that $79 to $85 level. Solana got there on the 2nd of February, approximately 2nd of February 2026, and since then, Solana has spent more than 98 days in that 36% range. The next logical step for Solana, guys, will be the $142 level. We saw Solana trading there start of 2026. Solana got to as high as $142 in January 2026. We've not been able to return back to that $142 level. From where we're currently trading right now, that requires Solana to pump by around 44% to get there. Continue pumping to higher values. Solana will need to pump by 113% to get to the $208 level. For Solana to get to new all-time highs, around the 208% pump from where we're currently trading. Why this might look like a big pump for Solana, guys, Solana has done crazier things in the past. A lot of these bear market pumps, if we're in a bear market, they are very aggressive. They catch a lot of market participants out of guard. And that's why right now, opinions are split in the cryptocurrency market. The bulls believe we are due for a rally, probably to all-time highs, probably to a higher above $200. The bears believe we're in a relief rally. We eventually dump to Goblin Town. We'll see Solana trading at $44, maybe even lower than that. While long time, I believe we might see Solana trading below the $44 level, maybe it even get to as low as $10. I still believe a new all-time high is possible in 2026. I still believe the next logical move for Solana will be for it to rally towards $200, maybe even above $300. The bulls and the bears can't decide. That's why sentiment is still neutral right now in the cryptocurrency market. But that's an improvement. Last month, there was extreme fear in the market. 2 months ago, there was great extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. And if you look at the fear and greed index on the 3 months horizon, you see we went from extreme fear in February of 2026. Right now, sentiment is improving to neutral. I'll not be sure before the end of the month. We see greed and maybe extreme greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market. Sentiment is slow. The sentiment is slowly sloping up in the positive direction that we want you to do. And Solana is also enjoying in that party. Don't forget, guys, Solana is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies we have in the market with a fully diluted market cap for around $60 billion. The market cap is at $55.8 billion. Solana's all-time high happened on the 19th of January 2025. It traded for as high as $297. If you're wondering why Solana is that popular, why Solana is that important in the cryptocurrency market, guys, we have few blockchains that are highly functional in the cryptocurrency market. Solana is one of them. Solana is a highly functional open source project that banks on blockchain technology, permissionless nature to provide decentralized finance solution. You look at Solana's performance against Bitcoin, it's been nothing to write home about, to be honest. Since March of 2024, Solana has been declining against Bitcoin. We had this push to the upside in January of 2025. We tried to push back to new all-time highs, ultimately got rejected there, continue our trip back to Goblin Town. The next few weeks are going to be very interesting. A lot of market participants have bought too much Bitcoin. They will see all coins outperforming Bitcoin. And I believe what we have seen before is what we're going to see again. Market participants start flipping their Bitcoin back into the altcoin market. And that will help Solana pump to higher prices. We might not get to new all-time highs against Bitcoin. I don't think we'll do that in 2026. But don't be shocked, guys, to see a 100% move, a 50% move, maybe a 150% move for Solana against Bitcoin over the next few weeks and the next few months. Historically, when we're getting to the end of a pump, you see all coins outperforming Bitcoin, you see all coins having a great time after Bitcoin has had its own run to the upside. And I believe we're getting very close to that period in time right now. I believe we are not far from those market conditions. We're going to see all coin season at some point in time, 2026. The all coin season of 2025 was very underwhelming. But I believe 2026 we see a lot of all coins pumping aggressively to higher prices. If you know what an all coin season is, guys, 75% of the top 50 coins will perform better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That's what we call an altcoin season. And Solana ETF inflow shows demand return as traders' eye sold rally to $120. Solana's ETF recorded their strongest weekly inflow since February as Solana futures open interest climbed nearly 30%. Is so bracing for a rally towards $120? I believe so. I believe we might see Solana even rally past $120, get to $140, and continue to higher valuations. Can we look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum? I believe it's a similar story to its valuation against Bitcoin. We'll see Solana have a great time against Ethereum. It has been dumping against Ethereum since when it set all-time highs in April of 2025. But will it get to new all-time highs right now against Ethereum? I don't think so, but I believe we'll see it outperform Ethereum in the near to the short term. Look at Solana's market cap, guys, which is around $56 billion. How long will it take us to get to new all-time highs? I believe Solana start trading around $300. We'll head back to all-time highs on the market cap chart. Solana will need to pump by more than 152% from where we're currently trading right now. All points, all evidence points to Solana pumping to higher prices. If you are bullish, if you are bearish, you see this as a relief rally and we'll be dumping to Goblin Town. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. What's your expectation on Solana in 2026? Do you think a new all-time high is possible? Are you adding more Solana to your portfolio? Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest in the long haul. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.